The belt that we're going to be installing today for the IS 3100Z is 5100 614 part number. This is a Ferris belt. First thing you're going to want to do is grab this belt and pull it towards the back of the machine to get it off of this drive pulley. So we're going to reach up here and grab it, pull, and walk that belt off. Disconnect this timing switch and then unloosen this bolt to allow this guard to come down so that you can slide that timing belt up through here. Get that belt, slide it up to the top. Okay. Just running that timing belt through the maze up here. Okay. There's our tensioner. What we're going to do is reconnect. Put our guard up first. Make sure that's on that pulley. Okay. Reconnect the electrical. We're just working in reverse now. Okay, the timing belt's fully on. The only thing we need to do now, I'll have to go get the spring, and we're going to connect the spring to this lower bolt to the J bolt, and that's going to tension your belt, and we'll be finished up. Here's the tension spring. Pretty stout spring. What I'm going to try to attempt is to rig up a 2-to-1, 3-to-1 pulley system, no pun intended, to get this little bit right here. I always carry 550 cord with me, just regular paracord, and we're going to attach it to the spring and then over here to the frame, over to the frame of the mower, and then back to see if I can use a mechanical advantage to get this attached. Let's see what happens. Put my gloves on this time so it's not digging into my hands so bad. And we should have it on this time. Shouldn't be a problem. All right, good, we're recording. So I got this little tool of mine that I use. If I can even use it, we'll see. Put that up there, there it went, right there. That's all I had to do. Let me get this released, make sure that stays up there. Okay, just grabbed a pair of snips. So rather than try to fight that spring, all we're gonna do, keep your fingers away, we're gonna cut this paracord. Just like that. That released it. Here, we'll just cut it off. Just like that. Get a pair of pliers, or we got the tensioner pulley on there. Looks good. The drive belt's on. Next up, we're gonna get this belt pulled back and get it walked back on. Let's get this tightened back up. Two tools. Okay, that's on. The belt's folded over a little bit. Just give it a twist. Now it's laying right. All right, we just finished up installing the timing belt on a Ferris 3100Z mower. I hope y'all enjoyed that. If you've seen something that I might have been able to do better, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked what you've seen, if maybe you learned something new, hit that like, hit that thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithms. In the meantime, y'all stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.